Now go to going live, and there we go. It should work now. Let's look at stream health. Stream is healthy, good. Okay. Hello. Welcome to day 9 of me working on the RNG tool. I think yesterday we worked on like making separate luck separate role mechanics, which the default one is the one based on the formula of luck. Though I personally would probably prefer the one that I made prior to it, because it can actually do an unsuccessful roll. What's called? Create new luck, yeah, with 3 titles. Yeah, so today, what are we gonna do today? So we have this. It can create like a button, right? You can create a button, but we also need to create like prefab title stuff. Like when you get, oh we need to like make a what's it called, a thing where you kind of like can equip the actual title thing. We'll need to make an oh my god, we need to make like an inventory thing where you store the titles, which can be just, you know, which can exist for the local player, unless we, I mean, we can always just count the number of titles that are in the player's inventory, and then what's it called, yeah. Okay. Let's start with what was that? Okay, either way, let's start with actually implementing the yeah, the inventory seems like a good place to actually start. I guess we're working on more like core things. So I know that in Elite RNG land, how it works is that you have this like list of already available titles, and like you probably set like once you get a title, you set the existing title in the actual thing to true, so everything appears for you. But in Souls RNG, that's not really the case. You actually get like the title that you can equip in your. So I want to incorporate both of them to give more option to the general users that will be using this tool. So yes, it's good to start with a more complicated one, I think. You know, work on the hardest thing first and then work on the easier things later. So we'll probably do just that. We will need to make an inventory script of some kind, one that tracks what titles the player got. Once the role has been complete, it would send the title that you got onto an inventory, which then once equipped, it will create a prefab. Yeah, that actually, yeah, it would like store a number of strings that you got, and it would have a limit of how many strings can be. Maybe like make an array of some kind. If the array is full, if there's a certain amount of items in the array, you can't add more to that array. Yeah, that actually makes sense. Okay. This works. Okay. Fuck. I can't words. Either way. Yeah. Let's do just that. Let me create an inventory script. do we need? Yeah, we need to make like an inventory script, so we would actually like be able to call that script to actually display the items in the inventory. It will be both a UI for the inventory, like it will be both the script for the UI of the inventory, as well as the storage for the actual strings in an array. Yeah, I think that makes sense. On inventory. There it is. Yeah. Let me just show and explore. No, pull. Well, come on, work. Oh no, everything is frozen. Oh, it's probably creating the actual script, most likely. No? What's happening? Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Compiling. Okay, it was compiling. Okay. Let's add a new script here. Now. I think we can. We don't need really to work with UI per se. Yeah, it only fills up the string once it's been. Yeah. Maybe it has to do something with the player.cs. Well, we'll keep that. Okay. To be honest, I'm thinking, like, do we add like a separate toggle for that? Like, as we did in here, we did the RNG type toggle here, right? Do we do the same for the actual inventory? Do we? Oh, we probably should like create a separate tab called features. Yeah, probably like features, or call it something where you can like toggle a bunch of things. Because like title is the most important thing here. And then everything else would probably be more secondary, or like, wait. Yeah, there's the inventory mechanic. You'll have to choose between that and the what's called, that and the just the list thing. What's called the thing where you get the title and it's just automatically that boolean of the title, like of the if that string exists for the player, the boolean of this title is set to true. The list thing that exists in at least RNG land. Either way, yeah, I'll pop. I mean, I want to work on the UI, to be honest. I'm enjoying just looking at the changes made just like that, not working on the actual core thing. But okay, let's do the inventory. Okay, let's add inventory here. There we go. Let's story script. Basically, once the title has been rolled, either using button or button alt, right? Yeah, button alt. And alt. RNG.cs. RNG. These elements either using it record it stores or the set title, the title that has been rolled into an array of strings. An array slash also, yeah, I don't know the difference of strings. So, yeah, and then once it records all these strings, you would need to have an equip method thing class, yeah, an equip class that then what's called then kind of like instantiates a prefab of the actual title thing. Yeah, the title prefab, and replaces the text mesh pro to the title that they equip, the play equips. Yeah, there we go. But for that we would need to have like one more script, like one for the actual text mesh pro, the prefab. I guess we could like do that first, create the prefab for the title. I guess so. Let's do it. So it's the UI. Probably, yeah, the text mesh pro, import TMP essential. Okay. Now we have this. What was the canvas? Oh no. Actually no. Remove both. Let's do the VRC text mesh pro. There we go. We could use this as the title. Though then, I wonder if we can then put a particle. Wait, let me check. Particle system. There it is. Okay. let's add mission noise maybe. Whoa, it exists. And like, oh my god, I can actually imagine this. I guess it's time to figure out what the particle system is about. Sub-emitters. What? Emission? Is this the amount of particles? Or what is this? Shape? You can set a texture. Let's add this. Or this. Yeah. It does not work. Render maybe? Canvas. Editor. What is this? What? I have no idea what I'm looking at. Inherit velocity. What is the... why is it pink? Oh, bursts? What? No way. Oh, it was the emission. That makes sense, I think. So like, what's curve? Whoa. So like, can you change the actual thing here? Like, emission exists, but how do you change the render maybe? This is the material. So what if we create a material? This material will be just a test material. Let's just see. I guess that is it. Okay. Yeah. There's a material base color. Oh no. Make it flow. Yeah, cool flow thing. Now get the text mesh pro. Actually no, the canvas. Then add the thing material. No fucking way. Whoa. I'm figuring out particles. It's so crazy. So like, can you write over this? What's that? No way you can increase these. Okay. You can add trails? No fucking way. What? Assign a trail material. Okay, sure. trail material. It is okay. Let's add oh no. What is that? Yeah, that would be. And then base color. Oh, there we go. Yeah, foam. Yeah. No, this trail. B. Whoa. Oh, come on. How can I be more precise? No. Okay, now let's see. What is trail ratio? What? I can increase the lifetime of the like. World space. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, well, the Unity particle system is nice and all, but you know, I can mess around with it later now, can I? I mean, oh my god, I'll definitely play around with this. Hell, I need to get into like learning shaders. Oh my god, this is definitely gonna be a fun project. Oh my god, I'm getting into the fun stuff now. Let's go. Okay, either way, yeah. Template, template title, something. I don't know. Let's put an example first. Yeah, there we go. Example, and now make the text bigger, like 70. Oh, canvas. Make bigger. Oh no, no mind. Text, make bigger. There we go. Now change canvas position like that. Yeah, no. This exists. Rotations at 0, 0, 0. Okay. What can we do now? Let's make an inventory script. Basically, once the tile has been rolled. Alright. This will be called title. Yeah, just title, I guess. Put in prefabs for now. There we go. The title prefab exists. Let's make an inventory script. Basically, the title has been rolled either using the button. Yep. It stores and records the title that has been rolled into an array and list of strings. Then if the player clicks equip, we don't need to implement clicking yet, but assume it already exists. So make it a class. And it clicks equip. wait, on equip, right? So the class equip exists. It looks at, we need to like do UI stuff as well. We need to like implement a bunch of things at once for this to work. Because like we got the inventory script. The inventory script relies on a bunch of stuff that would need to be put in the actual wait, just in case I need to check. Okay. Yeah, it needs to like work with several stuff at once, right? It needs to work with the prefab, you know, the title prefab. Not only that, it also needs to like what's it called? Um it needs to like work it needs to work with the inventory UI, so we need to like do that as well. So I need to like think on how can I implement that. I need to like figure out how to implement that like in VR and like on desktop, how to make two versions that that people can use in the tool. Yes, I'm not okay. So yes, I'm not just making a tool. I'm making what's called. I'm Even though I'm making it to like now, I'm also like working on it as though I would work on the world, because like I want to provide all of the things possible for the general user, so they won't have to do much stuff, I guess. And yeah, that involves adding a bunch of things. Hmm. Yeah. So, how can we do this? So, wait, no, let's think about the inventory. How could it do it? If we're talking about the inventory, we also need to work on the menu stuff as well. Those two are connected. And how I would want to open the menu would be via a gesture in VR and via button on desktop. Huh. Hmm. Okay. How would we do the menu? Because I don't want to do the whole menu that is based around all the existing, I don't know, like, pointer stuff. I like how Crash did the UI stuff with the cosmic risk. I want to have more of that, but for worlds. Hmm. So basically like an SEO menu, but better, more spatial, more designed for VR. Something that you can open quickly. I guess we're not working on the... I'm making a side project while I'm working on the main RNG tool. Look at that, look at me. Oh, Hmm. I guess the menu thing can always be done later, cause like now I'm overcomplicating things. I could always make just a tab that is like the inventory, then like update it later, so it actually is incorporated in the menu. But like, in, like for now, it could always be just the, I guess, a UI thing that already exists in the world that you can point and click, because that's easier and I can always update it. And the more I throw a bunch of random ideas to this, the longer I'll be working on this. But I really want to work on the cool menu that would be on par, if not better, than Project Minecraft's menu. Working on the menu could be fun, like really fun. But also designing it is like a whole nother thing. I'd have to experiment with a bunch of stuff because nobody really experimented much with it. It's still, you know, the best I've seen was like, I guess, uh, wait, give me a sec. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm really contemplating it right now. Like, oh, hello, hello, Vasya. How you doing? Yeah, I'm contemplating really. Um, I'm contemplating on whether I should, like, you know, on whether I should, uh, work on the menu stuff, which will take me longer to do stuff, but it would be like it would give the player a much better experience, and the experiences that the users of this tool could, you know, do and stuff. But like, I don't know. Well, I guess we could do it. I guess we could always update it if need be. And like, yeah. Okay. We'll do it simple, I guess. We'll do it kind of like a simple thing that people can like add on to, I guess. I don't know. I'm really. The more I think about it, the more I realize that like what I want to make is with the tool is like literally a head start for anybody making the RNG worlds and stuff. That means like it would, I don't know. I want to make good like game world that like people could play and stuff. And what's called the skills I have right now, division, to be more precise, I have right now is like it's not accurate enough for like what I'm trying to do. I don't know what I'm. Okay, so I'm envisioning like uh in a way I'm being too ambitious for my brain power stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too hesitant to like do things. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, sync an inventory skip basically once it's only been rolled. List of strings. Class. Mm-hmm. And then we could get another thing. No, we need to like do everything in a single script. So, oh my god, what's happening to my virtual desktop? Give me a sec. There we go. Inventory script once the tile has been rolled. The stores on the code down. Whip. Okay, it will be both a UI script. We would need to like make an inventory box, and I don't know how to make UI. Today I'm feeling really hesitant, to be honest. I don't know why. This is the hurdle. Cause like, I'm now having a little bit of just seed of doubt put into, I don't know. I'll need to like look at UI tutorial, how to make good UI. I don't know why. I just want to like look at a bunch of tutorials right now where where I'll where it teaches me how to first work with the particle system, maybe like stuff again about how to make good UI, so like people could start up with could join their RNG worlds and stuff. And then, like, you know, yeah. And then maybe look into how to, like, look into making shaders, maybe. So I could, like, possibly make a few good starter titles that people could use. And then, probably tomorrow I'll come back and we'll start doing this and stuff. I don't know. I'll spend like a day or two, hopefully a day, just, you know, today, actually researching about all of this and, like, right, taking notes and all that. And yeah, tomorrow, we'll actually work on things, I guess. I already have an idea on how to do this, right? And I'll probably, like, I don't know. I also want to work on the, again, you know, the menu things that I mentioned. So I don't know. We'll see how. We'll see what conclusion I'll get to tomorrow. But for now, I think I'll call it a day today. Yeah. Sorry, I haven't really worked on much today. It's really just, you know, stuff going on in my brain, gears turning, and yeah. Again, I'll probably, like, resume the whole work tomorrow. Today is just a dead day, I guess. It just happens, you know, happens to all of us. Again, I've been working on this every single day. Again, it hasn't been too much. I've worked on more things when I was making the VRChat anime opening, but I don't know. Again, I'll continue this tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know. I'm making a really long ending. Sorry. Yeah. Goodbye. Talk to you guys tomorrow. And yeah. Goodbye.